Skyflyer 582 Heavy. Frequency change approved. Good day. Speedbird 445. Frequency change approved. Good day. Speedbird 705 Heavy. Frequency change approved. Good day. Frequency change approved. Skyflyer 582 Heavy. Good day. Frequency change approved. Speedbird 445. Good day. Air Force 3. Wind 320 at 4. Runway 27 left. Cleared for takeoff.
Frequency change approved. Speedbird 705 Heavy. Good day.
Thank you. Speedbird 445.
London Heathrow Tower. Delta 187 Heavy. Ready for departure at runway 2.
Speedbird 5 Lima Heavy. Request frequency change. Air Force 3. Wind 320 at 4. Runway 27 left. Cleared for takeoff. Speedbird 5 Lima Heavy.